Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making my cousin's hair. Her hair isn't natural, it's relaxed. So what I'm doing here is just connecting the braids I made at the back to this large braid right here. That way when she puts her hair in ponytail or any other style, it's just going to stay and look like individuals basically. Now for the installation, take your large hook as usual underneath your braid, close the latch, drag it out, take the tail of the extension through the loop and close it. That's basically what you're going to be doing all through your head. Now there's something I want you guys to notice here. This installation I did here is wrong because the extensions were far from the nape of her neck, leaving extra braid outside. To do this the right way, take your latch hook close to the nape of your neck and start to install there, basically at the mouth of your braid direct. Once again, take your latch hook close to the nape of your neck, close it, place your extension, close the latch hook, drag it out, take the tail of your extension through the loop and you're done. This took about 40 minutes to install, but this video is just 3 minutes long. So here I am taking out the other braids we did that wasn't correct, just to show you guys that if you do it that way, your braid is going to show, or the cornrows you have at the back of your head is going to show. But just keep watching. Oh my god. Repeat the entire step. Don't forget, at the back of your head, make sure you are taking it close to the mouth of your cornrow or the braid you have at the back. Now compare this to what we have here on my right hand side. The installation I did here, the braid I made at the back were too large, and that way the cornrows I had, the crochet installation I did not lay as flat as I wanted it to. And just make your braids super small, that way your crochet installation would lay flat. I'm just doing the front. At the front we made individual braids and connected it back to the cornrows. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. I'm going to show you guys the wrong installation that I did in a couple of days, but thanks for watching. I love you. Bye. Ciao. Have a blessed week. Have a blessed evening, whichever time you're seeing this. Ciao.